I am going to give you some spelling words, use them in a sentence, and you will spell the word on a piece of paper. If at any time you need to hear a word again, you may rewind or you may pause the video. Number 1, spell the word flat. I had a flat tire. Flat. Number 2, spell the word slip. Don't slip on the ice. Slip. Number 3, spell the word spot. There was a spot on my car. Spot. Number 4, spell the word seed. He bought some seed to plant corn. Seed. Number 5, spell the word clay. We use clay in art class. Clay. Number 6, spell the word wish. I wish it was Friday. Wish. Number 7, spell the word flag. I pledge allegiance to the flag. Flag. Number 8, shot. My doctor gave me a shot. Shot. Number 9, spell the word feed. I have to feed my dog at night. Feed. Number 10, spell the word gray. Gray is her favorite color. Gray.